There goes the scallions. Oh, and that's gonna look good, and it looks good already, and it looks good already. And oh yeah, Cassandra, congratulations on your engagement to Valiant. Aw, thanks, Beetle. You're welcome. What are ex-boyfriends for? And friends. Yeah. Aww. So, where was it? You could not believe it. Crystal Cove. Oh, yeah, Crystal Cove. How did you do it? I made her a setup, and I proposed to her outside. Aww. And aww.
So guess what I have, guys?
Oh, the scallions already.
I have 1 cup.
There goes the vinegar.
Half a cup of vinegar.
Half a cup of vinegar.
Half a cup of olive oil.
And the olive oil. And the olive oil. And the olive oil. Where's Popeye? I don't know. And I don't know. Oh yeah, this is Popeye's girlfriend's name. There we go.
Half a cup of olive oil.
Uh-oh. Hi. Soup. Hi. Soup.
Pepper in here.
Soup.
Extra pepper.
Soup. Hi.
Some of my favorite salt. Some
Soup.
Manzanillo Colima.
Hi. Pebbles. Hi. Soup. And guess what? They forgot the bell peppers. Yep, they forgot to pack up the bell peppers. So we didn't add it. And that is the shrimp. Yeah, the shrimp. And yeah, the shrimp. There goes the shrimp.
I don't know if you guys know, but
And Hevel loves shrimp. Yeah, Hevel loves shrimp, and Hevel loves shrimp, and Hevel loves shrimp, and Hevel loves shrimp. Yeah, Hevel does love shrimp. Wow, it's becoming pink already. Wow, look at those tails. They're pink. One, two, three, and 4. And and 4. It's very slippery today. We gotta ask Bubblegums to help me. Because it's so easy to do.
whatever, your family doesn't like.
Don't tell anybody this week's secret ingredient. So, what is this week's secret ingredient? Oh yeah, what is this week's secret ingredient? Last week was extra milk, and 2 weeks ago was seeds, extra seeds. Yep, and yep. And last week was extra milk, and extra milk, and extra milk, and yeah, extra milk. Guys, it's... Oh, time's up for somebody.
Ready, guys? Beautiful.
Okay, you gotta find out when you taste the salsa.
I didn't make any
man, oh man. And guys, I'm still bad on the Calling Crew episode.